In June 2018, California Governor Jerry Brown signed into law Assembly Bill 1810, codified into law under Penal Code 1001.36. This new law is a game changer for defendants with mental health concerns. If a defendant suffers from a qualifying mental illness, this new law potentially allows defendants, whether charged with a misdemeanor or even a felony, to have their case completely dismissed and to have their arrest record sealed. In order to be eligible for mental health diversion under this new program, a defendant must meet at least 6 major criteria. First, the defendant must have a mental illness listed in the Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders, also known as the DSM. Any mental illness listed in the DSM qualifies except for the following: antisocial personality disorder, borderline personality disorder, or pedophilia. Some examples of mental disorders in the DSM that do qualify for the diversion are substance abuse, depression, bipolar disorder, ADHD, schizophrenia, and anxiety disorder. For a more complete list of mental illnesses that qualify for this diversion, please follow the link below to our website. Second, the mental health disorder must have played a significant role in the commission of the crime. For example, if someone suffers from a drug addiction and allegedly committed a theft to pay for drugs, then that would be a crime that may qualify under this new bill. The third criteria is that the defendant's mental illness must be deemed treatable by a qualified mental health professional. Fourth, the defendant must waive their right to a speedy trial. Fifth, the defendant must agree to treatment in the program, which could last up to a maximum of 2 years. And lastly, the judge must find that the defendant does not pose an unreasonable risk of danger to public safety. So if you or a loved one has been charged with the crime and you feel that a mental health or substance abuse issue played a significant role, then we invite you to contact us here at the Schaus Law Group. We will discuss the potential benefits of a mental health diversion and do everything we can to make sure the charges are ultimately dismissed.